making a quick stop at this Trackable Hotel to drop off a couple Trackables I have. My Cash Canada Trackable and my Treasure X Trackable. So I'm gonna open this up real quick. Now we're gonna go exploring in Roswell and see what kind of geocaches are around here. So let's go. So our last cache for the day is here at this park called Morgan Falls. And it looks like we gotta climb up this big hill, which is not very cool. So let's see if we can go find it. Lord, it's quite the hill. Alright, I'm not sure we took the best route into this cache since we had to climb that huge hill, and we're still like 100 and something feet away. But now really the only way to go is down. Okay, so we went up a little bit further than we needed to, so now we're coming back. We came back down, going into the woods a little bit more, and I think it's up here, hopefully. We'll find out. Okay, we've been trying to find this cache for at least 30 minutes now, and I don't think we're gonna find it. Alright, so we had to give up on this one. We just couldn't find it anywhere. And I don't know if these power lines that are near here, or if they're interfering with the GPS, but the GPS just kind of bounces all over the place, and we've read all the hints, or all the logs, and the hint doesn't help. So we're gonna have to do a DNF on this one and try to get another day. So now, Nick's gonna try and fly his drone, and maybe he can get some cool shots of the water coming down the dam. So let's check that out. I didn't fall that time.